Charles Parish deputies accused of payroll fraud and theft make an appearance in court. WDSU investigative reporter Aubrey Killian is live at that courthouse in Hahnville. And Aubrey, this is really the first time that we saw all three of those former officers together.
Hey, Randy, that's right. So the three former deputies in the courtroom, they sat next to each other. Meanwhile, prosecutors say they have hundreds of files of evidence to go through. So take a look. I want to walk you through the dramatic day here at court right here in St. Charles Parish. So here's what we can tell you at this hour. Former Chief Deputy Rodney Modair, Sergeant Zane Stillinger, Captain Derek Pertwee, they are accused of payroll fraud and theft. Their high-profile attorneys dodged questions. Modair has hired David Corsell. Court records allege that the ex-deputies forced other employees to make items for them and perform mechanic work while those employees were on duty. The records also state that Modair had a deputy under his command delete files from a work computer which were incriminating in nature. In court, Modair's attorney asked permission to allow him to go to his Mississippi camp. It is alleged that is where the sheriff's office equipment apparently may have been used. The judge denied that motion. She said she wants specific dates, like when Modair would be going to that camp. We also asked about him getting a $200,000 a year pension. Take a listen. Sir, do you feel you deserve the $200,000 pension? At what point did the sheriff know about these allegations? And what would you like to share to the public about this? Any message for your client?
No comment today.
Anything y'all want to say after court? Any comment?
No comments.
How long did the sheriff know? How long did the sheriff know about this?
Guys, we're not here to talk about it right now.
Is he guilty or not guilty?
Not here to talk about it right now. Case is still under review by the DA's office.
Can we get a comment from y'all leaving court?
No, we're good.
Do y'all plan on filing a plea, guilty, not guilty?
No plan.
How long did the sheriff know about this? Can you tell us how long the sheriff knew about this? So again, all three former deputies and their attorneys were very tight-lipped today. The sheriff's office has also declined to go on camera with us. As for this case, they head back to court. That's next month. Back to you.
All right, Aubrey, thank you for that. Now to this developing story as a family of a teen